Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We're dedicated to constantly bring you evolving tech gadgets that are being manufactured by the creative minds out there to make life a little easier for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you 9 more of these incredible gadgets. You might need one of these yourself or as a gift to someone special to you. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel, you don't want to miss any of our updates. Number 1. ECOeshiner 24W 1.8 kg backpack size foldable solar table. Based on feedback from outdoor enthusiasts who have experienced the S solar table, which is the first generation of our design of solar table. The S solar table is too heavy because it is 3.1 kilograms weight. Especially for a single backpack, more is not a good choice. Have you ever thought that ECOeshiner solar tables can reduce the unnecessary burden of carrying other tables and also can save money by not owning and buying multiple items with duplicate functions? This solar table is only 1.8 kg weight, avoiding consuming more energy on your body during camping trips and reducing the unnecessary burden of carrying other tables. Number 2. Ultra-thin round non-slip wireless fast charging. Our product is a new magnetic wireless charger specially designed for the new iPhone 13. The built-in magnetic attraction pairs perfectly with the iPhone 13 while maintaining compatibility with other iPhone models. 20W wireless fast charging, compatible with Apple Android system fixed frequency fast charging protocol, more stable. Don't worry about the high power of the high-power wireless charger. The official designated fixed-frequency fast charging protocol is adopted, and the charging frequency is stable at 127 kHz. Automatically identify charging devices and supply power according to different needs, making safe charging more efficient and stable. 8mm charging induction distance, you can charge without removing the case. Number 3. Aatamid M8S colorful palm-sized mini PC-Sma. M8S features Intel Pentium Silver N6005 processor, a Jasper Lake series quad-core SoC released in early 2021, especially designed for mini PC and mini hosts. The frequency of the 4 Tremont CPU cores is between 2 to 3.3 GHz, with 1.5 BL2 and 4 MB L3 cache, without hyper-threading, and 10nm process is adopted. M8S, 2 RJ45 network ports, can access dual networks, achieving the double transmission bandwidth and improving the network speed, also as a soft root. The hardware supports the formation of internal and external networks to prevent data leakage. Number 4. New favorite in fitness industry. Push-up support. The multifunctional timed push-up support adopts a curved design, which perfectly fits the curve of the human body. ABS engineering material is adopted, and its alloy aluminum tube can support stable and safe exercise. The thickened PP material is used, which is lightweight and easy to travel. The last mode is the classic push-ups. This action requires extending the arms and legs, so as to exercise the muscles of the whole body and enhance the core ability. Are you hesitating about whether it is suitable for you? Never mind. It is suitable for both men and women. And it is light and easy to carry. You can also adjust its angle to meet your fitness needs. All kinds of body shapes included. Number 5. Cyberize $149 everyday adapter for every need. It is the world's first all-purpose adapter for digital nomads of modern days. Created by a group of geeks and gadget fanatics, Cyberize One provides an all-in-one charging port solution for an active lifestyle on the go. Whether you are in coffee shops, co-working spaces, public libraries, or even Airbnbs during workation, Cyberize One can always be there when you need it, with its credit card size and less than 100 grams weight. It is designed by makers who get tired of carrying excessive accessories wherever they go. We believe that people who love to explore, create, and follow their dreams deserve a better everyday carry. It should come with a concise and elegant design, be portable to match your office, travel, commute style, and perfectly integrate with your EDC like Switch, MacBook, iPad, etc. Number 6. PowerHub PH1 Super 65 WGAN charger and USB-C HDMI port hub. This is the first innovation brought by PH1. Its docking function offers a port for every device. Type-C laptops, tablets, and phones are seamlessly connected. USB-A cameras brought together with other devices through a multifunctional hub, as well as flash drives, a mouse or keyboard, and even a TV or projector, using a powerful HDMI output. PowerHub PH1 features a 4K at 30Hz high-definition video output. In a nutshell, it doubles the details you'll see on the video that a 1080p resolution would offer. The HDMI port allows you to project super high-quality videos, connect your laptop to your TV for pristine streaming, display the same content on the same screen, or explore split-screen and screen division display options. Number 7. Mkon-Top Tech Wireless 4K Transceiver. In order to realize the plug-and-play of wireless sync screen on business meeting display, games, live broadcast, conferences and so on, have the superior experience of high image quality, zero delay and zero interference. With a long time of upgrade technology and research, we have produced a sync screen device as named Mkon Wireless HDMI Transceiver. Millimeter wave, EHF, delivers faster, more stable connections and higher quality content than Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. 1080p 4K 60GHz HD lossless picture quality, no delay audio and video transmission and data mutual transmission. WIHD 200M 4Gbps data transmission. Based on the Wi-Fi connection technology, WIHD is a faster short-range wireless technology, which can be used to quickly transmit large files at home. Number 8. Auldtok 3-in-1 Heated Water Cup with 65 WPD Fast Charging. It has come the function with electric kettle, vacuum cup and water cup. Auldtok can prepare a cup of hot water at the temperature you want within 25 minutes. After boiling, also can be used as a vacuum thermos for long time preserving heat or drinking directly. Portable Auldtok hot water cup takes 25 minutes to heat water to 212. You don't have to wait for long time. Auldtok can be heated up to 100, temperature can be set and adjusted freely, perfectly meet different needs for traveling and driving. Made of 316 stainless steel, which is a kind of austenite stainless steel. Due to the addition of Mo element, it has suitable corrosion resistance in various organic acids, inorganic acids, alkalis, salts, and seawater, and the corrosion resistance and high temperatures far better than 304. Number 9. GOFU New Generation Fully Functional Compact Vacuum Sealer. The length of the heating wire of the vacuum sealer is 300 mm, which means that the vacuum bag can be sealed with a width of 300 mm, suitable for any size of bag. With a 300 mm heating wire, several bags can be sealed at the same time, saving time and effort. The sealing bag has a sealing width of 3 mm to ensure a leak-free seal. The perfect GOFU vacuum sealer features a low running noise motor that operates with minimal noise and vibration. The working sound is below 50 decibels, so you won't feel annoyed or uncomfortable around. Vacuum sealer is lightweight and compact, meaning you can pick it up with just one hand. Compact size and lightweight design are easy to store and move around.